Okay, I'm removing a fuel filter from the back of a 91 Mustang GT. The thing you see on the screen here, right here, is the clamp. This is the filter, and there's going to be a nozzle or a hose fitting here and one on the back. They're held by plastic clips. So when I remove this, I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be moving the clamp, loosening it up, and then I'm just going to pull the clips. It's not actually that much work, but you have to be real smart about this. Like, for example, I handle the exhaust cool, because there's going to be some gasoline spilling down on here. When this gasoline spills, you don't want it to spill on the hot muffler. So here's a little socket set I'm going to use to undo the clamp. You can see I'm just using my thumb to loosen it up. Okay, so now it's done. Now see, this thing's actually in a metal sleeve, so it has to be slid out. So I'm going to remove the clamp on this side. There we go. That's the little broken clip. That's one leg that needs to be replaced. And now I'm going to pull the other leg out. Not quite sure this one. There's the other leg right here. So that one's out. I'm going to pull the other one on the right hand side. This one came out kind of in one piece, but it's not to be reused. I have some new ones over here. New ones come in a bulk pack from Ford. And now we're going to go ahead and pull this filter down. You can see a bunch of gas come gushing out. Hopefully won't get it all over the camera. That's a lot of gas. Again, see, it's all over my arms, gushing out all over the suspension, so luckily the exhaust is cool. I'm gonna get the other half here. I'm a little worried the camera's gonna get hit, but such is life. Got some in my eyes now. That's great. I have to get the other half out now. Okay, got the other half now. Gotta get it out, and I gotta wash my eyes out. I had to go run off and do a quick eye rinse. I got way too much gasoline in my eyes. And the filter's still up there. What you can't see is that while I'm doing this, I have this fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. Last thing you want to do is you have your car go up in flames. There's nothing you can do. So I just got rinsed off back, and I'm gonna pull the filter and put up the new one. Actually, I forgot I did pull the old one here. I had to throw it aside real quick because I had gasoline in my eyes. And here's the old filter, fully drained. In fact, looks like a little bit. So this is the old filter. I'm holding the ends so it won't leak. So we'll take care of that. No surprise, the new one looks very similar. All I'm gonna do is up here is put the filter inside this little metal sleeve, and then I put the hose ends on each one. Here's the new filter. If you look at the new filter, you'll see a little ledge here. So the plastic thing, the hose just goes here, and I clamp it with another plastic clip, likewise on this side. So I'm just gonna send this up. Can't see it, but I'm putting on the hose fitting on one side, and it just slides on. And on this side, also slides on. So both hoses are on. I'm gonna clamp it. The last thing I need to do is put the new clips in. So we just come up here and secure the clamp. My little wrench here. They're making all those crunching noises because there's little bits of dirt in between the clamp and the thing. That's not going to hurt any. It's naturally be dirty back here. And I'm looking for my little plastic clips. That's fun. Must be really windy out here because the clip blew down over here. So again, here's what the clips look like when they're new. They're just molded together. I'm just going to snap one off. And all I'm going to do is this clip essentially goes inside a black plastic fitting and locks the filter in place. So I'm going to put the first one up here. If I can find the opening. Let's see, get the back one here first. It's probably easier. I can see it better. That's the back one. That's it. You just slide it in. And this one's going to be the same here. If I can just find the other opening. I think it's kind of rotated a little bit for some reason. There it is. Done. Now I will bring this up a little closer so you can see what I was talking about. So on this one, if you look here, here's the filter in place. I'm gonna get it to focus a little better. Let's see, let me zoom out. Okay, so this here is the clamp, and this area here is where the plastic clip just slid right in. There's two notches go straight in. Likewise on this side, the two notches go in and hold it in. So that's it. That's changing a filter, fuel filter on a 91 Mustang. Total time is probably 5 to 10 minutes max. Except if you get gas in your eyes like me and I have to run upstairs. Okay, there we go.